Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a TradingView watchlist from CSV or Excel. If you've ever wanted to bring a list of symbols you already maintain in a spreadsheet straight into TradingView, this is the quickest way to do it. This method is perfect for those of you who manage a large number of assets or watch multiple markets and want to streamline the process without having to manually input each symbol. Before we start, a quick heads up. Uploading a list is a premium feature. That means the option we're about to use appears only on paid plans. If you're on a free plan, you won't see the upload option in the menu. So if you're currently on a free plan and are eager to use this feature, it might be time to consider upgrading. Let's begin by opening the watchlist pane. Look to the top right of your TradingView interface and click the watchlist icon. This opens a panel where your symbols normally live. With the pane open, move to the top of that panel and click the watchlist title. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Upload List. This is the entry point for bringing in your CSV or Excel file, so get ready to upload your list in just a few simple steps. If you have a premium plan, you can now select your file and upload it directly. For best results, prepare your spreadsheet with one symbol per line in a single column. CSV and Excel both work well, but keep things simple. Avoid extra headers, notes, or formatting. TradingView doesn't need any extra information, so just stick to the symbols themselves. This makes the process smoother and avoids any unnecessary errors. If you track assets across different exchanges, include the exchange prefix when needed. For example, stocks listed on NASDAQ usually begin with NASDAQ:, while others might use prefixes like NYSE:, for New York Stock Exchange listed assets. Be sure to check that your symbols match exactly how TradingView lists them. A quick Google search of the asset you're tracking will often help you verify this. Keeping your list clean and organized helps TradingView recognize everything on the first try, saving you time down the road. After selecting your file, confirm the upload. TradingView will process the symbols and populate your watch list. In most cases, this happens almost instantly. You'll see the symbols start to appear on your watchlist pane right away. If you notice that a few symbols didn't make it in, it usually means the format doesn't match what TradingView expects. Double check for typos, stray spaces, or region-specific tickers that may not align with TradingView's format. After making corrections, update your file and repeat the upload. It's also a good idea to remove duplicates and keep only active symbols to maintain a tidy and responsive list. If you have multiple entries for the same symbol or outdated tickers, these could slow down the functionality of your watch list. A clean, well-organized watch list is not only easier to use, but it will also improve TradingView's processing speed. Once the upload completes, your watch list is ready to use. You can click through each symbol, apply indicators, set alerts, and organize your view just like you would with a manually built list. This means you can get right into analyzing your assets without wasting time adding each symbol one by one. The main difference is that you've saved time by importing everything at once from your spreadsheet, which is especially valuable if you're managing multiple assets or keeping track of hundreds of tickers. And that's all there is to it. Open the watchlist pane, click the title, choose Upload List, and if you're on a premium plan, import your CSV or Excel file. With a clean file and a few minutes of setup, you'll have a polished, comprehensive watch list ready for your analysis. This method is a huge time saver, and once you've set it up, your watch list will be ready to go every time you log into TradingView. Happy trading!